The night beckons while you dream. A life never lives in peace. As you stand upon the edge, woven by a single thread, and fate may fall down upon you, while the devil is knocking right at your door.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Oathroom. Are you ready? Mic check, mic check. Welcome aboard, everybody. It is Monday. Ow, shoot. It is not Monday. We had Monday off, Memorial Day yesterday. Hope everybody had a fantastic weekend with friends, family, and all that. Don't forget, trading is risky and all that good business. It is Tuesday, feeling like a Monday. I don't know about you guys, but I am a little bit tired. We've got full auto turned on here for the first bit before the market open there, and I'm gonna let the bots do the work here while I kind of get a little organized here. Got Enigma full auto turned on. We've got crazy weather here in our area. There's tornado warnings, 2-inch hail. It's crazy. Tornado sirens, all that kind of fun stuff going off in our areas. Didn't get much sleep last night. Got the kids up and into storm shelter early this morning, like 6 a.m. So I am definitely feeling the no list. If you guys are unfamiliar with the no list, good time and day to potentially bring that up here. So if you're in our Discord channel chat, don't forget that is free. If you're not in there, you're missing out. There are some important tools if you want to be following along with us. Thank you, Eddie. Eddie typed in, oh, it's a checklist. Anybody type in the no list yet? Let me type the no list. Oh, there we go. He got the no list for me as well. So I've had this printed up on my wall for a very long time there. Questions are, did you stay up all night? Were you upset with anyone last night? Have you yelled at anyone yet today? Are you upset or frustrated about a family situation today? Are you sick? Do you have more than 2 meetings today? Now, these are things that early in my career when I was working, you might be working as well. And again, I had kind of a 2-meeting rule. There's something that would end up interrupting my trading, that if I knew I had to go to a meeting and be physically at that location or move around, I had found myself getting caught where like I'm in the middle of trades. Now, I think that's less relevant now in our current versions where we are in and out. Man, if I had AlgoBox back then when I was working, oh boy, how cool would that have been? I was definitely having to work through structures and drawing things by hand and holding positions for longer periods of time, all kinds of things that we no longer have to do with the current system. So if you're just now joining us, you're kind of coming in at a good spot. So the no list is a little bit less applicable, and I also did not have full auto on Enigma. Holy cow. That's going to be exciting. I've been building out this version of the software for, wow, we had 10 years now. I think we're, total, probably 12 years from inception. So welcome aboard. If If you guys are new with us, I'll give you a quick tour around the area here. Let me pull the music down a bit. And I don't even have my earpiece in yet. Let me put that in here so I can hear what's going on. Give me a mic check if you guys can let me know if the sound is okay there. Yeah, tornado in your area as well. Noob, awesome. Well, not awesome, but thanks for sharing. Let's see. Mike is good, thank you, Eddie. All right. Okay, so up top here, I like to approach the markets like a video game, so I think of this little area here that's actually not on my computer desktop. This is on my physical desktop here in front of me. This is an area where I've got some coins that I can put up there. Go ahead and load them up. Like restarting the game. All right, got my coins on the marker. That $500 is not necessarily that we're getting $500 or $100 per trade. This is just a vision boarding tool that I used early in my career when I needed to replace my income, which was at that time around $500 a day. And I needed to figure out, well, how can I get to $500 a day? And so I don't want to say the first thing, one of the items that helped me was to have something physical in front of me that helped me to maintain my over trading situation, where I would find myself taking too many trades. I'm like, okay, look, 5 lives, just like a video game. You don't get unlimited lives in a video game, and you probably shouldn't while you're trading either, in my opinion. So again, that's just the way that I approach things there. And then I allow myself a bonus in there as well. So within 5 trades plus a bonus, I need to be at my P&L that I needed for the day. That's kind of the idea behind that. We got the direction filter up there on the top left. If you're out here on the live stream, this is not live. This is just an example. You're looking for this inside of our Discord channel chat so that you can see this actively. This is not going to be active here on the live stream. You'll need to head into our Discord channel chat, click the link down below, and jump into our Discord. And on the left-hand side, you will see that direction filter called the MACV Ultimate. That is 4 instruments. That is correlated instruments, ES, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, and I'm missing one. Anyhow, there's 4. NASDAQ, RTY, ES, and the Dow. There you go. So those 4 instruments combined into one beautiful indicator for knowing, well, where are the rest of the instruments related to the one you're trading. Currently, I'm trading the NASDAQ out here on live stream, but we've got lots of layouts there for you, and there's a whole layout video. It's number 2 in the list of videos if you are jumping in as a premium member. Video number 2 will go through all of the chart layouts there. And if you'd like mine, Vinny's live stream layout, I do update this on a regular basis and put it into the community sharing section inside of Discord on the left-hand side. Again, everything here is inside of our Discord, and it is 100% free. We are one of the few Discords that are 100% free and open to the public, and always have been since, how many years now? Is it 6 years that we've had the Discord part? Real-time protection. Yes, turn off real-time protection if you want to speed up your computer like a gamer. So to do that, go into your... Oh, that's the microphone one. This one. So go into your security settings there. Go to real-time protection. Turn that off, just like a video game, to speed up the performance of your PC so there's no interruptions while you are trading with the system that approaches the markets like a video game, doing all the CPU horsepower work for you so you can focus on execution and risk management. Bottom left there is kind of my set of rules there. 5 or 6 trades, 60 to 90 minutes, whichever comes first. MACVU filter, go in the direction of the MACVU filter for the biggest plays. Now, you can go, for me, I can go against it, but if I am, I need to be thinking just target 1. We're going to go target 1, maybe target 2 quick, but no runners, typically on a scenario where we are going against the MACV Ultimate. Got your daily bias. Biggest plays, again, in the direction of the daily bias, especially in the afternoon. Less so in the morning, because the morning can actually set up the day. So we talk about that in our training. Risk control. Looking to maximize our P&L. Harmonic structures, order flow, profile zones, cyborg entries, 5 time frames combined. And I'm just babbling on here because the market is extremely slow right now. Might pick up here right before the open. It is 9:22, so about 8 minutes to the open. Don't forget, if we get to 50 likes, I'll play the entire session. If we don't get to 50 likes, it's all right. First 15 minutes still on the house. We got 4 minutes to get to 50 likes. And I'll be here the whole time. So take a minute, smash that like button while we are waiting for the open here. 7 minutes till the open. Yeah, that weather was hitting your area as well, Missile. All right, looking at high time frame, we are flattening the golden ropes up top, so we'll be able to play trades both directions, looks like, potentially today there, relatively easily. Winding up there inside the area of golden rope safety. So another thing I like to do is taking trades outside of this fiddle zone. That's this middle area here. The shadings now in your next version coming out on June the 1st, you're going to have these shaded zones there you can turn on. You don't have to, but this is going to correlate with the zone over here. So if you, I won't say don't like to, but let's say that you want a secondary confirmation or make it easier for you to see where you're at inside the shading. Are you inside or outside of that fiddle zone? You can apply that shading over here on your lowest time frame chart. But best plays are going to be typically outside of that area, or the ones that are inside here, you're going to have bigger risk. You're going to have larger stops and all that kind of jazz. So we talk about a lot of that in our training. So if you're wondering, like, well, how am I going to remember what he's saying? Don't worry. All this is laid out in our training. If you decide to go through a 2-week free trial and join us as a premium member, you'll get all that laid out to you in about 102 videos. 102 videos from top to bottom, start to finish, to complete our entire training program. All right, we are exactly 5 minutes to the open now. Yeah, that's a good point, Edward. Thank you so much for that. Let's do
Trip.NQ on the 9.
Yeah, I might need to add more days of data from the long weekend there. Let's go. Gotta go 4 days back here. Let's try that. There we go. Yeah, so if your deviation lines are not populating, you'll need to add maybe one more day of data because of the holiday for your MACVU chart. If you guys have questions on any of that, you can always pop those in the chat inside of Discord. We also have tech support available, of course. Just open up a ticket on the left-hand side. Our guys are awesome. All right, there we go. Thank you, Edward. Appreciate that, sir. Sorry, I am definitely under the weather here today, so I'm going to be relying on my full auto system a lot more than usual. I'm definitely feeling very tired. Got hardly any sleep last night, being up and down with the tornado warnings and getting the kids in the shelter, all that kind of fun stuff. Feeling very tired. Okay, 2 minutes to the open. I'm going to reheat this coffee here real quick, and we'll be at it.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
All right, we got about 30 seconds till the open. I like to sit on hands for the first 5 minutes, so I'm going to let the bots do their thing for the first 5 minutes there. And then I'll take over for Cyborg. I'm going to watch through the first 5 minutes there. Let's see where the open is relative to where we are. Okay, way up there, 18,950 for the open line up above. Hey, buddy. Coming to trade with us this morning? Yeah. Oh, I hear mommy calling you. Go get her. See you later.
Speed of NQ 211.
Oh, thank you, Josh. Is that the first news event here this morning? So I need to type news there in the chat. Didn't pay attention to the news there. 10 a.m. Looks like we also have a 9:55. Okay, so 9:55 medium, and then 10 a.m. medium high. Okay. We will take a note of that.
Two finger NQ on the 89. DCDM NQ on the 2.
Ooh, that's a 19.1. I usually like to pop those for a little 10, 15 tick reversal there off of 19. Let's see if that plays out here at the open. It can be very tricky because sometimes that's just extra volume coming in there in the morning. Let's see how we react at that 19. We'll want to watch that pink level line there around 935, this level right there. So breakout traders might get trapped right there. Yep, there we go.
Enigma short on the NQ2.
Okay, Enigma bot automatically getting us in there.
Target filled.
All the way on that drop. So that is a 60 tick drop off of that 19.1.
Speed of NQ 116.
All right, we got about 2 more minutes.
Speed of NQ 116.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Excuse me. Okay, we are at the P point. We have S1 all the way down at 18,870, but with a big straight down drop like that and a straight leg down, watch for traps around there. Prior close and prior high sitting right next to each other. If I had to put a bet on it, I would be betting that we touch this area one time today. Especially with them sitting so close like that. Okay, 30 seconds till we're past that first 5-minute stuff. Ten seconds.
Speed of NQ 104.
Okay, we broke that secondary, so 50 cent down. Ooh. No, still technically kind of... So structures in play right now. No major structures have been broken yet. Oh man, here we got major lightning and thunder going on here. Hopefully we don't lose power. Over 500,000 people in our area are without power this morning, according to the news reports. Yeah, you gotta love those moonshots, for sure.
Speed of NQ 100 and
McAfee Ultimate still red, so runners to the short side still for now. You're getting good weather, Edward? Awesome.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Ooh, okay. Potential reversal there at a 16.8. Let's watch how we react there. Very close to the current low of day. And there is a cave right here.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
Enigma auto entering in me right. Wow, did I just say auto entering me in
Speed
here?
of NQ100.
Okay, I am too tired to talk here.
Speed of NQ100 and
It was a long night with all the crazy weather going on there.
Target filled.
Letting the
Target
bot do its
filled.
thing. Okay, we got target 1. Not sure about that target 2 there. Let's see.
Target filled.
Oh, man.
Target filled.
Cannot stop the Enigma on a moonshot. Beautiful. All right, Tool's doing the work there for me this morning as I'm a bit tired.
Enigma short on the NQ2.
Okay, got Enigma'd short here. That's going to be tricky. Stopped out there. Yep. Not super surprised by that one. Enigma's back to back. That's where stuff gets a little bit sketchy. Listen for AudioBox if we hold that.
Speed of NQ101.
Well, looks like that's...
Along on the NQ.
Wow, okay, we're getting Enigmas back to back to back. Generally speaking, that is going to be difficult. Very dangerous area when that starts to occur.
Target filled.
They are picking up orders in this space. I'm hearing buyers, so I'll go ahead and add to it. We'll try it one time there on a break of the Gartley. Stop underneath that Gartley.
NQ on the 2.
Double cross, that's going to be a reversal down inside. I got my finger over the sell if we start to crack it. Okay, I'm going to go back inside. Stop above the crosses.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Speed of NQ78.
Target filled.
All the way across the zone. Very nice.
Divergence up NQ on the 9.
All right, see things picking up here.
New bar on the wave.
That's a 10. Should be looking for continuation. Stop under the cross in the event that we don't.
Speed of NQ96.
Target filled.
Back at the P point. Getting wild right there.
Speed of NQ111. Speed of NQ111.
Yeah, I should have entered in on that crack of that 50-cent short. Could have gotten an easy T1, T2 out of that. Feeling a little lethargic, a little slow there this morning on that. Left hand buy, right hand sell.
Speed of NQ89.
Okay, I'm going to size down on my full auto there. We are totally flat here on... This is the most dangerous place to take a trade for me, generally. So I'm going to literally just take my hands off the keys here for a minute. Watch how things go there in this space.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
Okay, so Enigma is taking one, but that is right in the middle of that zone here. I am only hitting a one quantity, you'll notice right there on that, because again, in this zone, stops have to be wider, all that kind of good stuff, and just not interested at a spot like that. Very difficult spot right there.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ67. Speed of NQ55. Divergence of NQ on the 9. Enigma short on the NQ2.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Speed of NQ95. Speed of NQ95. Divergence of NQ on the 9.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ 161.
Someone asked, is the Discord still up? You can't join. It's been 2 days. Frederick, there's a link down there, and Nightbot just put it in there. Discord GG/AlgoBox. Click the link. Of course, Discord is still up.
Speed of
New
NQ
bar on the wave. New bar on the
118.
wave.
All right, we're approaching the prior low. Let's see how we react there to the prior low with S2 down below.
Speed of NQ 128.
Frederick, if you're representing a professional organization, you're not going to be able to purchase a personal license. If you're picking up investors, you'll need to contact me if you would like a professional license if you're going to be investing for people.
Speed of NQ 60. Speed of NQ 60.
Okay, new accumulation zone here.
Speed of NQ 78.
Yeah, Fred, you were banned from our room. You're going to need to contact us using the number on the bottom of the website. Curtis, could you reiterate to him what I just said by typing that out in the chat for him? Thank you.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ 66.
See if we're going to get up to that S1 point. I think that's where we're going. I'm going to watch for a break of structure and listen in for AudioBox. You're going to have to call. I'm not dealing with your emails, no? You're over here in our chat talking about convincing investors and blah blah blah. That's
NQ59.
highly suspect, and you probably got banned for a reason. And your Discord name was FredAss0. I don't know why you expect anybody to take you seriously. No, we're not going to discuss why you were banned.
Speed of NQ 101. Speed of NQ 101.
Alright, would be easier with a structure break right there. If I had a structure, would be easier with that play right there. I'm going to put this below, the stop below. It's a bigger stop than I would normally want to go. But if we're going to run up to S1, we've got a couple of supplies there to do it. S1 is at 18,874 for the target.
Speed of NQ 60 on the 9.
Yikes, red dot structure came in there right in front of S1. Okay, it's widening out here. I'm going to go to bigger.
Speed of NQ 63.
We're in the king timing area. Here in the buyer's step. Up underneath that sell supply cross. We break that shark with some audio box. I'll head to position.
Speed of NQ 69.
Yeah, news in 5 minutes. This might just be resting here inside the golden ropes on the low side.
Speed of NQ73. Speed of NQ73.
Target filled. New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ75.
All right, news is about to hit here, and shoot, just hung.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
All right, news is going crazy there. Ended up hanging up my system there. Must have gotten
Short on the NQ2.
crazy. Yeah, wild there. Tying up, didn't quite get to that S1 point up above.
DCDMNQ
Been back and forth here this morning.
Speed of NQ
New bar on the
177.
wave. New bar on the wave.
Frederick, you're not going to be allowed back into a Discord room. You're not going to be allowed to use our system. I'm sorry. You may as well not waste your time. All right, lots of order collecting in this zone here. Let me grab
Speed of NQ
that from
109.
here to there. A lot of volume there. So if we stay below that, I want to get on the sell side. We're above it. I want to get to the buy side. A lot of orders coming in through there. Lots of activity. So we'll see. The algorithm that picked that up is going to fire off. Okay, we just cracked through the shark. If I was sharp, I would have entered in on that to get at least a target one there off of that shark break with AlgoBox. You can hear it. You can see the trap.
New bar on the wave.
That's a 10. The 10.8. I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, shoot. I don't have my ATM set. Hold on. Oh, come on. All right, stop under the cross there. Eesh.
Target filled.
So wanted to get in on the shark break there, add in on 10.3. Didn't have my ATMs reset from that hang up there. I'm going to go ahead and close right there. That'll put me back into positive territory there on that play. Break the shark plus AlgoBox kick in. We got through S1. So looking for the continued move off of a trap is going to be my first default. Currently, Mac VU. I'm going to refresh here real quick just to make sure that I'm not behind there. Yep. All right, we are 3 minutes past the news here. 2 minutes before, 3 minutes after. So we start. I'm going to start looking for trades there again.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the
Yeah,
wave.
big dynamo leg, exactly. So now they just cleared it, right? Trap, collect, trap, boom. Let's see what we got. That big pink line up above for big targets again. 8.7 coming in, right in the same spot from before. Another area where they're collecting. P point up above for the high time frames. Here's the structure. Structure getting hit. Did not immediately break. So, can still be MACVU ultimate for default trades. Okay, a little narrow band.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
Right there. Let's get a measurement for that. So the biggest one, all the way up there, I'm going to take that as a moonshot long. Stops underneath the moon.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
All right, put my stop up in there now. If it's not going to go now, then could crack down for the runners there. Okay, I'm hearing sellers. I'm going to go ahead and close out there. High water mark was around 1300 on that play. Re-entry here would be at the double cross. So double cross entries, if this does push back up, is through these white lines right here. I think it just got me tempted in there. I'll put it behind the Enigma. So that's risky. Let's see if they fake it or they're going to break it all the way back down here. 8.7 fill on the high side. There's a supply.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
Another Enigma there should help out. Should be putting my stop up underneath that Enigma there for another moonshot. Police lines up above.
Speed of NQ7.
And we're closing out on an 11.9 to get me at my high water mark 13.31. Not bad, not bad. All right, that was a tricky session. Let's see how bumpy the road was. There we go.